Electric bikes, or e-bikes, combine pedal power with an electric motor, making commuting and recreational riding easier and more efficient. They offer various assistance levels, allowing riders to tackle hills and long distances with less effort. With advancements in battery technology, e-bikes now have extended range, eco-friendly features, and affordability, making them a popular choice for urban mobility. So let's get started.
Number 5. Ancheer 500 watts 26 electric bike. This bike is designed to enhance your daily commute, off-road adventures, and leisurely rides with its powerful motor, long-range battery, and high-end features. Here's a closer look at what this e-bike offers. Powerful 48 volt 500 watts motor. Equipped with a 48 volts 500 watts brushless motor, peak 750 watts. This e-bike generates 55 Nm of torque, offering robust climbing power. Whether you're on city streets, gravel paths, or mountain trails, the bike can reach speeds up to 22 miles per hour via the throttle. 499 Wh battery, up to 55 miles. The 48 volts 10.4 Ah removable lithium-ion battery supports rides up to 55 miles on pedal assist mode. The battery charges fully in just 3.5 hours, making it ideal for both daily commutes and long trips. Front suspension and dual disc brakes. The lockable front suspension and 3+7 transmission system allow for smooth rides over rough terrain. Combined with mechanical front and rear disc brakes, it provides reliable stopping power for safety on steep descents and bumpy roads. Intuitive digital LCD display. The ABS 5-speed digital LCD display shows critical stats such as battery level, speed, and distance, ensuring you're always informed during your ride. 4 working modes. Choose from throttle, pedal assist, normal bike, or booster mode to customize your riding experience. You can enjoy effortless rides or turn off power to get a workout. Ready to go. The bike comes 85% pre-assembled, with easy-to-follow guides and video tutorials for hassle-free setup. It also includes a 1-year warranty on essential components. Cruise control. Enjoy automatic speed regulation with the built-in cruise control, perfect for long, uninterrupted rides. The Ancheer 500 watts 26 electric bike is a great option for those seeking adventure, comfort, and performance. The next is Number 4. Heybike Mars 2 electric bike. The ultimate foldable commuter with versatility. This electric bike is a robust and versatile e-bike designed for those seeking both convenience and performance. Perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures, this bike combines power, comfort, and portability, making it a top choice for urban riders and outdoor enthusiasts. Powerful performance. Equipped with a high-performance motor, the Heybike Mars 2 delivers strong acceleration and seamless riding over various terrains. The powerful motor allows you to effortlessly navigate steep hills and long distances, providing a smooth and efficient ride. Smart LCD display. The bike features a smart LCD display that offers real-time information, including speed, battery status, trip mileage, and riding mode selection. This intuitive display enhances user experience, allowing riders to easily monitor their performance and make adjustments as needed. Sturdy rear rack. The Mars 2 comes with a durable rear rack that offers ample storage space for carrying groceries, backpacks, or other essentials. Whether you're commuting or running errands, the rear rack adds extra practicality, making it easy to transport items during your ride. Foldable electric bike. Designed for convenience, the Heybike Mars 2 is foldable, allowing you to easily store it in tight spaces, such as car trunks or small apartments. The foldable design makes it perfect for riders with limited storage or those looking to take their bike on public transportation. Full suspension. The full suspension system ensures a smooth and comfortable ride by absorbing shocks from rough or uneven surfaces. This feature is especially useful when riding on bumpy roads or off-road trails, enhancing stability and comfort. The Heybike Mars 2 electric bike combines powerful performance with portability and comfort, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and adventure riding.
Number 3. Fukari Scorpio 750 watts electric bike, power and style for every terrain. This electric bike is a powerful and stylish e-bike designed for both commuting and outdoor adventures. Its combination of high performance, safety features, and versatility makes it a top choice for riders looking for a reliable and enjoyable ride. 1,200 watts rear brushless motor. While marketed as a 750 watts a bike, the Fukari Scorpio boasts a peak output of 1,200 watts from its rear brushless motor. This power ensures fast acceleration, making it easy to conquer hills and ride through challenging terrains with ease. 20Ah LG battery with long range. The high-capacity 20Ah LG battery provides an extended range, allowing you to travel long distances without worrying about recharging. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring off-road trails, the battery ensures reliable power for extended rides. 33 miles per hour top speed and safe riding. The Fukari Scorpio reaches a top speed of 33 miles per hour, giving riders the thrill of fast riding. Despite its speed, the bike is equipped with advanced safety features, including responsive brakes and bright lighting, ensuring a safe and controlled riding experience. 400 pounds load and full suspension. With a maximum load capacity of 400 pounds, the bike is built for strength and durability. The full suspension system absorbs shocks from rough terrains, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on bumpy surfaces. 5 riding modes and all-terrain tires. The bike offers 5 riding modes, including full electric, pedal assist, and classic pedal, allowing riders to customize their experience. The all-terrain tires offer excellent traction and stability on various surfaces, from city streets to mountain paths. Unique style, green travel. The Fukari Scorpio combines modern aesthetics with eco-friendly electric power. Its sleek design makes a statement while promoting green travel, making it a perfect option for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. This electric bike delivers high performance, comfort, and style, making it a standout choice for any adventure. Number 2. Bike Fat Tire Electric Bicycle. Power, portability, and performance. This electric bicycle is designed for riders seeking a powerful, versatile, and convenient e-bike for various terrains. Its robust features make it ideal for commuting, off-road adventures, or casual rides in the city. 500 watts, peak 720 watts. Powerful motor. The bike is equipped with a 500 watts motor that can peak at 720 watts, delivering strong acceleration and effortless riding. Whether you're climbing steep hills or cruising through tough terrains, the motor ensures a smooth and powerful ride. High-performance battery. The bike features a high-capacity battery that offers extended mileage, allowing you to ride for long distances without worrying about frequent recharging. This makes it perfect for both long commutes and weekend adventures. Foldable and portable. One of the standout features is its foldable design, making the bike easy to store and transport. Whether you need to fit it in the trunk of your car or take it on public transportation, the bike's portability adds convenience to your lifestyle. 20x4 fat tires and Light. The 20x4 fat tires offer superior traction and stability on various surfaces, including snow, sand, and rough roads. Additionally, the bike comes with a bright light for enhanced visibility and safety during night rides. 7-speed and front suspension. The 7-speed gear system offers versatility for different riding conditions, while the front suspension absorbs shocks, ensuring a smoother and more comfortable ride even on uneven terrains. Color LCD display and horn. The integrated color LCD display provides essential riding information such as speed, battery life, and distance. The built-in horn enhances safety by alerting pedestrians and vehicles. This electric bicycle offers a powerful and convenient riding solution, combining strength, durability, and ease of use in a foldable, portable design. Perfect for adventure seekers and city riders alike. Number 1. ZNH Electric Bike. High performance and versatile for every ride. The ZNH Electric Bike is designed for riders seeking a high-performance, comfortable, and adaptable ride. Whether commuting or tackling off-road trails, this e-bike stands out with its advanced features. Key features: mid-drive motor, powered by a Bafang 500 watts mid-drive motor with a peak output of 1,000 watts. This bike delivers strong assistance, making it easy to conquer hills and rough terrains effortlessly. Full suspension. The 4-bar linkage suspension and front suspension fork ensure superior shock absorption. This full suspension system enhances stability and comfort, absorbing vibrations and rear upward forces, making it perfect for uneven surfaces. For riding modes, choose between full electric, pedal assist, pedal classic, and booster 3.73 miles per hour modes. The bike offers flexibility for different riding conditions, ensuring maximum control and adaptability. 26x4 Fat Tires. The upgraded fat tires provide excellent traction and stability on rough roads, sand, or snow. The bike accommodates riders from 5'4" to 6'6" and supports up to 300 pounds. Color LCD display. A multifunctional display shows speed, battery status, and mileage. The light sensing feature automatically activates the lights in the dark, and it includes a USB port for charging devices. Large capacity battery. The 48 volts 13Ah battery offers over 40 miles of range on a full charge. It's removable, lockable, and has a USB port for added convenience. With its powerful motor, full suspension, versatile riding modes, and robust build, the ZNH electric bike guarantees a smooth, efficient, and enjoyable ride. It's the perfect choice for both commuting and off-road adventures, so this is the best option for you to buy.